Ah, young travelers, may you help an old man with a request? You see, this mighty tree has a very important apple up there. Can you help me get this apple?
Ah, a simple quest. But for beginners in any system, this could be a challenge. One that requires some skills. Welcome to the GURPS protocol.
Before we begin, I want to say thank you to Right Stick Studios, my company, for allowing me to go full time, being able to do this. Check out Double Shake, a 2.5D platformer based off of Old Tumba, Mischief Makers Klonoa gameplay off of the PlayStation 1 era. Follow us on Twitter at RightStickDev, and join our Discord.gg Rightstick Studios to get the latest information and have conversation with us. All right, on with the show.
Recently, I was trying to teach skills to new players. In GURPS, skills are some of the more complex things to understand. Even for veterans of other systems, it takes time to wrap your head around rolling low for better results. I realize a good way to teach them is what they could do with a quest like this. Many of my games, I usually let players respect their skills during long breaks via mystical interference. I find many players tend to struggle in any system with how they want to be useful to the party. So here is Old Man with a quest. He can help the players instantly change their skill stats as long as they're trying to get him the apple. There are many ways for the players to attempt this feat. The trick is don't fully specify a DC for anything. Just let this come naturally.
I like to use the bow.
That's bow skill, dex average, with the default of dx minus 5. So without the skill, you need to roll lower than your dexterity minus 5. If you choose to get the skill for a single point spent, you get bow 1, which is dexterity minus 1.
Well, what if I climb up there?
Ah, that's the climbing skill. Funny enough, it actually has the same DX average, with the same default as the bow.
Screw that, what if I jumped?
Interesting. Jumping skill is a DX easy, so you could use your dex minus 4, but with 1 point you could just use your dex stat. But just passing a jump skill doesn't equate to higher jumping. It just means that you could use your base move stat for vertical or horizontal jumping.
Wait, what about helping someone with their skill?
Now that's a good one. Of course, this is up for the GM's discretion on how much others can help perform a skill. You could mix and match some skills together. For example, a bow skill probably wouldn't help from someone that has no skill, but someone with survival or perception check probably could help out a little bit. But for climbing, as long as someone has strength, I would give them a little bonus to help those rolls in that case. So there you have a simple quest to give the party a safe challenge, great for all kinds of beginnings. You could even expand the idea to magic, psionics, whatever you like. If you feel like only one player is doing all the work, make it so the apple dissolves and reappears if it hits the ground. This little quest is flexible for any GM looking to teach how the skill works. As for now, I'm Diceyed, and this is the GURPS protocol. Thanks for watching.